Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm pretty excited to show you guys this one. So this is a custom bobblehead from Bobble. Basically, they make custom bobbleheads. So let's check this out. They sent this to me. Nice, excellent packaging. This came in another box that was all bubble wrapped and everything. So pretty cool little box here. So I got my helmet out here. If you guys follow my channel before, you guys, I used to wear this thing crazy, but yeah, so I thought I'd just, they reached out to me. I was like, that'd be kind of cool to have one with a little helmet on there. So let's see how this goes here. This is wrapped up really well. All kinds of bubble wrap here. Okay. And this thing's like a little mummy, just like really wrapped up well here. Okay. What? That is really cool. Look at the detail on that little guy. All right. Oh, that is really, really quite cool there. I mean, it's very similar. Someone had some pretty good skills here. I think this is made out of clay or something, I'm not even sure. But yeah, it looks pretty close to my helmet there, actually. That is really nice. Basically, with this, you just send them a photo or whatever. So I just sent them a picture of my helmet. But check that out. Let's like that little guy, and there's my helmet. So that's actually really, really close there, and like the side and everything. So that is really cool. And then it's just like a little, the little bobblehead there is like, that's actually really accurate. So they did a phenomenal job here. Came out to me pretty quickly and just looks pretty amazing there. The detail on there is pretty crazy. Yeah, I'm super, super stoked with this one. Yeah, so I just showed my wife and my son this, and I think that's like the coolest thing ever. And it really is. What a neat little unique gift idea. This thing, it's really cool. I'm amazed at how accurate this is. It's like, saw that like the helmet and like the helmet on there. It's like, it's crazy good. So the details in the pants, everything. I was wearing some cargo pants. I just snapped some pics of myself and the helmet and sent it off to him, and it came back like this. So it's super cool. Okay, friends, so if you are looking for a pretty sweet little gift idea, it's very unique and honestly quite cool, go ahead and check this out. You can go to bobblemy.com, or I'll link their Amazon page also in the description below. At bobblemy.com, if you use code ETPC20, you'll receive an additional 20% off. So take advantage of that deal. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.